Hey there everyone, hope you're doing fine. My name is Rohan and welcome to this Git and GitHub Complete Guide. Today we are gonna look at a very important and interesting topic in Git, that is Git ignore. So there are certain instances where you don't want to push your certain files or folders to the Git repository and you want to ignore them, such as you have written a script in your folder and you want to do certain things but you don't want to push that script to the Git repository. Or suppose you're building a Android app and there is APK files generated in your folder and you don't want to push that, or a build file in React app or node modules in a Node.js app. So let me show an example. Right now I am on a clean directory, so let me go here and create one file known as app.apk. So suppose you are working on an Android app and an app.apk is generated. So you can see it turns green, so it is now tracked by Git. As you can see, it is tracked by Git. So there are other instances as well. Suppose you have a build folder, or in Node.js app you usually have an node modules folder. So there are instances that you don't want to push this to folders or this APK. These are the best practices and you don't want to push to your local repository or remote repository, so that whenever anyone downloads your this code files and you want them to build their own and generate this APK files or build files, so that build files or APK are generated according to their dependencies. So as you can see, it is tracked by Git. So I'll delete these three things now and show you like how to ignore files. So suppose you have a file known as ig.txt, that is short form of ignore. So now if you do git status, it will be tracked by this Git system. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be ignoring this file. So for ignoring that file, we need to create another file known as git ignore. It is usually a hidden file. So let us see how we can create a git ignore file. So just click on this new file and the name start with dot and simply name as git ignore. That's it. You can see that git signs have come here. So any file you want to ignore out here, you can simply name them. So I want to ignore ig.txt, so I'll put up ig.txt and hit save, and you can see that it is no longer tracked now. If I do git status now, oops, sorry, let me clear. Yeah, so if I do git status now, ig.txt is not tracked and git ignore is tracked. It's fine, totally fine. So if git ignore is ignoring this file, whatever changes we do in this file, it is not tracked by Git. So it is usually best practice to have the folders or APK in this git ignore file. Suppose there is an APK generated in your folder, so it is tracked and pushed by the Git system to the remote repository as well. So if you don't want to track this, you can write app.apk out here. So if you do that, it is not tracked. So there are certain, like in Node.js you can have node modules, or in React you have build folder, or many certain instances like that you don't want to track them and push them to the local repository. So this will be hidden file, and so I hope that this git ignore file is clear to you and it will much more useful in the coming videos. And do hit the like button and keep subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.